So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset Samsung dishwasher LC code, leak check, drain pan dry and reset steps. So how to reset Samsung dishwasher LC code? Turn off the dishwasher power and dry any water in the bottom drain pan completely. Check for leaks, inspect hose, door seal, detergent use and make sure the dishwasher is level. Restore power. Press start or cancel for about 3 seconds, then run a short cycle to clear the LC code. Why Samsung dishwasher LC error code occurs? Water collect in the bottom drain pan and activate the leak sensor. Loose damage or leaking water supply or drain hose. Door seal problems or dishwasher not level causing water to leak out. Excess detergent or wrong soap creating too many suds and triggering leak detection. So the step 1 is turn off power. Safety first. Press power to turn off the dishwasher. Unplug it from the outlet or switch off the kitchen breaker. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before working on it. This prevents the pump from running consistently while you check for water. Step 2 is confirm it's a real or fake. Wipe up all visible water around the dishwasher. Run a short cycle and monitor. If water does not return, it may have been a spill. If water comes back, continue with leak check. Samsung recommend confirming the leak before troubleshooting further. Step 3. Pull out dishwasher and check for water. Open the door and remove the lower rack. Gently pull the dishwasher forward if built in. Tilt it slightly backward or to the side. If water leak out, the drain pan has water and triggered LC mode. Step 4 is drain pan dry method. LC clear step. Most LC error happen because water collect in the bottom tray. Carefully pull the dishwasher forward if built in. Tilt slightly backward or to the side. Let trapped water drain out. Try the base fully using towel, sponge, low heat hair dryer. Even small moisture can keep the leak sensor triggered. Step 5th is check water supply hose. Samsung recommends checking hose or damaged hose, moisture around connection, gaps where hose connect to home plumbing. If loose, reinstall or tighten connection. A 3 by 8 inch stainless steel hose is recommended for durability. Step 6 is check for leak causes. Before resetting, check these quick points. Door seal, even small debris can create leak gaps. Check rubber gasket alignment. Clean away food debris or buildup. Use mild soap plus towel. Check spray nozzles and stub area. Blocked jet may spray water toward the door and causes leak. Remove food particle from nozzles jet. Ensure nothing blocks spray arms. Third is drain hose. Not bent, cracked or loose. Properly connected under sink. If leak is at the sink connection, tighten or reinstalling often fixes it. Detergent. Samsung warned too many suds can escape the door and triggered LC error. Dish soap or liquid soap cause excess suds. Use only dishwasher detergent. Step 7 is make sure dishwasher is level. An uneven dishwasher can cause water pooling and leakage. Check left and right level. Place a level on the dishwasher and adjust the front legs. Turn left to raise, right to lower until balanced. Check front and back level. Use the rear adjustment screw with a hex tool. Turn left to raise the back, right to lower it. Check door clearance. Open and close the door. It should move freely without touching the countertop or back brackets. So the eighth step is reset Samsung dishwasher LC reset. After drying, restore power. Plug in, switch breaker on. Press power. Press and hold start or cancel for about 3 seconds. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Run a quick wash. Rinse cycle to test. If LC disappear, problem solved. When to contact Samsung service. Contact Samsung support service if LC code written repeatedly. Water keep appearing under dishwasher. Hose or seal appear damaged. Samsung notes that installation related leaks are common in newly installed unit, so professional checking may be required. To contact Samsung's customer support, live chat support, go to Samsung support and use 24 by 7 live chat for quick help. Tech support, text support to we care at this number to connect with an agent, Canada only. Service center, use the service center locator to find nearby in person repair support. Thank you.